Welcome back to my channel. So today I will teach you how to apply a sum formula on this payroll. Okay, so if you are working in freelancing, so obviously you will work on the AR, or you will work on the payroll, you will work on the financial analysis, or anything. So if you are working on the reports, then you will apply these shortcut formulas. So I should recommend that you must learn freelancing skills in 2026, and this must be your year. Okay, so I am also teaching USA medical billing on my another YouTube channel, that is Soaring Thoughts. So I am focusing on these skills. Okay, so you guys should learn skills and earn in dollars and work from remotely. Okay, so that is a great opportunity in 2026, so you can make a great career. So let's apply the formula. Okay, first of all I will select this this column, then go to the insert button, then here go to the function key, then it will navigate you here. Okay, so then you will press on the sum button, then here you can say, so this is the total amount. So I hope you understood how to apply the short formula, okay, on your payroll or anything. So it will actually save your time. Thank you so much viewers. Please tap on the subscribe button. I will teach you everything.